let's create documents from this 3D mechanical assembly model using the VIEWBASE command. In the first document, we will keep orthogonal views, section and isometric view, and in the second document, we will keep a 3D exploded view and bill of material table. So let's get started. Let's start with mechanical templates and apply the templates to layout 1 as well as the layout 2. And erase the viewports in both templates. Let's make sure that the paper size of the first layout is A4 and it is in the landscape orientation, and the paper size of the second layout is A3 and it is in the portrait orientation. Next, let's give VIEWBASE command in the model space and choose existing model and the layout and place the base view in a convenient location and drag down to locate the plan view and drag at an angle to place an isometric view. Select full screen section option in the annotate tab and choose a section plane and place a sectional view. Let's hide the viewport borders by turning off the drafting viewports layer. Now we have created the first document with multiple views from the 3D assembly. Using the exploded views option in the VIEWBASE command, we can create an exploded view and place it on the selected layout. Scale of this view can be changed using the properties panel. Next, let's insert a bill of material table onto this layout using the BOM manager. And click on Insert Table. You can attach any desired parameter in the pop-up list onto this table. Choose Volume as a parameter and click on Insert. Now you can see that the volume of individual components in the assembly is inserted in the table, and it is also updated in the table and the layout. Hence, we have created two documents from the 3D mechanical assembly.